Exploring prepositions of place. Opposite, facing. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving deep into the wonderful world of prepositions, specifically focusing on prepositions of place, opposite and facing. These two prepositions are quite common and super useful when describing spatial relationships. So let's get started. The preposition opposite is used to indicate a position facing something or someone. It tells us that one thing is directly across from another. Examples include 1. The bank is opposite the supermarket. 2. My house is opposite the park. It's important to note that opposite usually requires a reference point, which is the object or place from which the other thing is across. Now, it's your turn to practice. Fill in the blanks using opposite. 1. The coffee shop is blank, the library. 2. She sat blank, me at the dinner table. The preposition facing can be used in a similar way to opposite, but it also can imply a closer proximity and direct orientation towards something. When we say one thing is facing another, it means that the front or face of it is directed towards the other. Examples include 1. The statue is facing the museum. 2. Her desk is facing the window. It's your time to shine again. Fill in the blanks using facing. 1. The hotel is blank, the beach. 2. His apartment is blank, the east, so he gets plenty of morning sun. While opposite and facing can sometimes be used interchangeably, they do have subtle differences. Opposite is more about position in relation to another object, often implying a certain distance apart. On the other hand, facing puts more emphasis on the direction that something is turned towards. For the final exercise, try to choose the appropriate preposition in each sentence. 1. The chair is opposite facing the television. 2. The post office is opposite facing the train station. And there we have it. I hope this exploration into the prepositions of place, opposite and facing, has helped you to understand how to use them correctly. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using them in your everyday English. Thanks for tuning in today, and as always, happy learning.